Calendar invitations. A great feature inside of Outlook is the ability to invite people to meetings. Use the ribbon by clicking Home here, and you can notice that appointments are items that no people are involved. So you see the new meeting. An appointment is just something you want to put on your calendar that you're not inviting others. But if you want to invite others, you go here to New Meeting. You can also see a drop down here if you'd like to look at those items as well. A Skype meeting are meetings that you can create with outside people that give them access to screen sharing and a conference bridge, etc. We'll go over that in another vignette. But let's go ahead and create a meeting. And when I create a meeting, it's going to pull open the Outlook meeting interface. It's just like an email. It's showing where it's from. Then if you want to invite people, I can invite people if I want. So let's say I want to invite Craig and I want to invite Monica to this meeting. So I invite them, and I can put in a subject, and I can put in a location. Now, location is important because it tells them where you're going to meet. Now, some of the tricks, I'll show you some of my locations here, is there could be a physical address like you see here, 1220 North Barston. It can be instructions like Jenny is going to call me at this phone number. It can also be a conference bridge number like you see here. Here's the main dial-in, and there's the participants code. And then sometimes when I put in appointments, I'll actually put in flight numbers if I have flights. Locations can also be rooms, and if you load rooms, which I don't have any here to show you, they would appear here, and these would be conference rooms, and those conference rooms would be blocked. So if somebody was trying to book a conference room, two people at the same time, different meetings, then it would notify the second person that, hey, this place is already occupied. Also notice down on the right-hand column, it's showing their free time. Now this is a little hard to demonstrate because I don't have free time for Craig or Monica because they're outside of my domain. They're not in Last Mile Worker. But when you're in the DT Thermal domain, you're going to see that it's going to show all the people in their free time. And it will tell you when the best time is to schedule an appointment. And up here, it'll show your choices, good, fair, and poor in different colors. It is a really cool feature, and I encourage you to use it. A brand new feature for people outside of your organization is this function called Find Time. And essentially, Find Time goes out for people who are not in your organization. It's asking you what the duration needs to be, and let's say I want it to be 45 minutes during the work hours, and it's giving you a clock here. And now it's going out and it's showing all those people's calendars if you have access to them. So let's say I wanted to do it at 11 o'clock today. Then I'm going to insert that in an email to them. And what happens is they will receive a link to a site that allows them to vote whether that's a good or bad time. So you don't actually need to see their email. You don't actually need to see their calendars. Instead, it will allow them to go out and select options of meeting times that they think might work for them best. And so it's asking who I am, and I'm logging in as myself. And then it shows me here, yep, I prefer this time. Yes, I can make it. No, I can't make it. And when everybody's in the meeting has selected their time, you can schedule it, and it will send out the meeting invitation. So this is another tool. It's an add-in to Outlook to help you schedule meetings, but a great one nonetheless. So that's really all about the calendar invitations and free time. I encourage you to use it. When items are on people's calendar, they are less likely to forget. That's all.